every now and again there's a piece of kit that absolutely blows me away, and at the moment during the old key worker commuting I'm wearing these, the Held Jump Urban Pants. These are absolutely amazing. You can wear these just knocking about all the time. There's not many pairs of motorcycle trousers that you can wear walking the dog, sitting around in front of the TV, doing whatever you want to do that feels super comfy. But these are it. Amazing. I mean, they look like jogging pants. They've got a very soft sort of jeany type feel to it. They are stretchy. Look at that. They just give it all the right places. There's oodles of pockets, as you can see, on the side like cargo pants. You've got proper trouser pockets sort of here. You've got back pockets on it. They look like some crazy cargo-y pants, jeans, tracky bottom cross, but they look great on. They look like proper urban pants that you wear. Armaprotec material on all the key places, as you can see here, so that's really good. They're warm without being over warm. They've got little pockets in here. You can see my hip protection poking out here, which can be just whipped out the pocket. And for all those that don't like walking around in bulky knee protection when they're off the bike, you can simply either reach down the trouser leg and just rip those out. They're on Velcro. I shall demonstrate now, or you can turn them inside out and do it. But look, there we go, there we go. And out it comes. Voila, protection. I'll just turn the old leg inside out and show you how easy it is to put that back when you want. Because what you've got, you can see the armour protection here, but what you've got here is this little scale, and all you need to do is, using the Velcro, you get used to where your knees are, etc. on that. You just whop that on there like so, and that's ready to go again. Let's just turn that inside out. Trust me, that Velcro is flipping strong as well. There we go, done and dusted. That's the back of these. And tightens up around the waist with the old drawstrings here. But I mean, just look at that stretch material. Absolutely brilliant, these are. Absolutely brilliant. The Held Jump Urban Pants.